In the digital age, where data reigns supreme and cyber threats loom large, traditional cybersecurity measures are no longer sufficient. Artificial intelligence is the game changer in the fight against cyber adversaries. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, detect patterns, and make intelligent decisions in real time, and has emerged as a crucial ally in the battle to protect our digital assets. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and advanced analytics, AI can proactively identify and mitigate threats, ensuring a robust and dynamic defense against the ever evolving landscape of cyber threats. At the same time, artificial intelligence has become a defining force in the rapidly evolving cybersecurity landscape. Over time, vulnerable AI assets may also become the targets of AI assisted threat actors, increasing exposure to risks. With the increased implementation of AI, there are complexities arising from AI's role in cybersecurity. These complexities include analyzing its use by threat actors, its inherent vulnerabilities, and its potential as a cornerstone of next generation defense strategies. As AI becomes more integral to cybersecurity efforts, it is essential to understand how malicious actors might exploit AI, the weaknesses within AI systems, and how AI can be fortified and leveraged to create more resilient and adaptive defense mechanisms. This nuanced understanding is crucial for developing comprehensive strategies that harness AI's power while mitigating its risks. AI's growing role in cybersecurity acknowledges its increasing importance in the field. There is significant potential for AI to be used by both defenders and attackers. On one hand, AI can enhance cybersecurity measures by quickly analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and making real time decisions to prevent and respond to threats. But on the other hand, attackers can also leverage AI to develop more sophisticated and adaptive attacks, creating new challenges for cybersecurity professionals. This dual use nature of AI highlights the need for robust strategies to harness its defensive capabilities while mitigating the risks posed by its malicious use. Secondly, AI systems can inherit biases present in their training data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. AI models can be tricked by carefully crafting inputs designed to deceive them, known as adversarial examples. With this, attackers can manipulate the training data to corrupt the AI model, causing it to make incorrect predictions or classifications. AI models can be stolen or reverse engineered by attackers, allowing them to replicate or misuse the model. Moving forward, there is an urgent need for implementing future proof strategies, and AI can indeed be a cornerstone of next generation defense strategies. Let's look into today's headlines. The Reserve Bank of India advised banks to remain attentive in light of the possibility of cyber attacks. The Reserve Bank of India has issued an alert to banks nationwide in response to tips it received about potential cyber attacks. They have been instructed to actively check their systems around the clock for potential threats. Banks will need to keep an eye on important payment systems like SWIFT, the messaging system for confirming cross border fund transfers, the card network, which enables card payments, the online local fund transfer frameworks, that is RTGS, NEFT, and UPI, the real time payment system, in addition to regularly monitoring network activities and server logs to detect malicious intrusions. Vikram Misri has been appointed as the new Foreign Secretary. Vikram Misri will be India's new Foreign Secretary, an Indian Foreign Service officer from 1989 batch, who is currently the Deputy National Security Advisor. The Appointments Committee of Cabinet, that is ACC, approved the proposal made by the Ministry of External Affairs for appointing Vikram Misri as the next Foreign Secretary. He will take over as Foreign Secretary from Vinay Mohan Quatra. A new events feature for group chats is released by WhatsApp. WhatsApp is currently introducing a new feature called Event, which should make it easier to plan meetings, get togethers, and other events inside of group chats. The feature will soon be made available to other users as part of a larger release. Notably, WhatsApp's most recent upgrade expands the events feature, which was previously only available in community group chats, to normal group chats as well. New regulations regarding SIM card swaps under mobile number portability will take effect from today. From today, that is July 1st, modifications to the mobile number portability rules that aim to prevent fraudulent SIM swapping and replacement activities will be implemented according to the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. A SIM swap or replacement is the process by which an existing subscriber obtains a new SIM card to replace a lost or non functional SIM card. Users can also opt for the mobile number portability feature, which enables customers to keep their mobile number when they switch between access providers inside the country in accordance with TRAI regulations. Nokia acquires Infinera to increase its market share in AI. With Nokia's $2.3 billion, that is rupees 19.17 thousand crore acquisition of US-based Infinera, Nokia is now well positioned to benefit from significant investments in data centers spurred by the expansion of artificial intelligence. With a 20% market share, Nokia would become the second largest optical networking provider after Huawei as a result of this approach. Many telecom firms have started branching out into emerging industries like artificial intelligence. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.